This is the Igbo village, one of the points that was built to celebrate the Igbo culture. This entire whole place was built by using about $5 million. That's the Virginia state government built it. That's the kitchen right there. That's how the ancient Igbo kitchen looked like. Okay. Yes, this is where they will normally do meetings. This is where they do community meetings, the Igbo community meetings. Everybody will sit down here. Hello. This is another. I think this is the kitchen. Oh. This is how my grandmother's kitchen used to be those days. Like this. Yes, and this is where they will be cooking. Can you imagine finding this abroad? Then look at the family homes. This is what it looks like inside.
What?
See what the white men did.
Yeah.
Loved our culture, maintained it, spent $5 million. Yet,
That's local fridge.
A lot of people come here for tourism. They make a lot of money. I paid $70 just for myself and my wife. Yet, our governors don't even know what to do. Shame on all of them. They have all these things and they can't even utilize it. Yeah. This is beautiful. Yes. This is beautiful. This is beautiful.